Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update and install drivers on MSI Thin A15. So there are two ways of installing new drivers, and I suggest doing both because both of them may find different drivers. So the first one is gonna be in the settings. So let's go to settings, then Windows Update, and now you'll need to click on check for updates, and if there are any, you'll need to click on download and install all. By the way, if you want to see a more detailed process of updating drivers or Windows through the Windows Update tool, there will be a video on our channel on this laptop on how to update Windows, and you can watch it there, so you'll see how the whole process looks. Then we can move to the actual updating of the drivers only. And to do it, first we need to go to the Microsoft Store to install an app which is named MSI Center if we don't have it yet. So I'm just gonna search for it, but of course if you have it somewhere, like when you click on the start bar, then all, and when you can find MSI Center under the M letter, then you don't need to install it. But I don't have it, so I'll just click on install and wait a moment. It may take a longer while sometimes. And now it is installed, so we need to just open it. Then click on yes to give it administrator privileges. And now we've gotten into the MSI Center. If you're installing it for the first time, then you may be prompted to restart your laptop after installing the program, and that's what you should do before opening it. Then we can just get to the, I believe it was in the features. Let's see here. Okay, now. Okay, so you need to go to the support, then live update. Then it'll take a moment to scan all your drivers on your laptop. And after that's done, you can just see which drivers are new that you can install. So I'm gonna select all three of them and click on download, or you can click on scan to rescan it. And now you can just wait until the drivers get installed. You can see here at the bottom that it shows what's being downloaded right now. So now I believe it has installed only one driver. I don't really know, because the AMD chipset driver was just installed, but I have selected 3 of them. So I don't know what about these other ones, but okay, I can see something here. So it shows me these 2 folders. As you can see, this is for the DTS driver for, I believe, for sound, and NVIDIA GeForce Experience. So let's maybe try clicking on install. I'm just gonna see if it works. Yeah, I guess. So I just need to click on yes. And let's wait. So the ones that are not installed automatically, I believe you just need to find the window that was automatically opened and click on install to install that driver manually. So yeah, I think that is installed now. And let's go to the DTS driver. The process should be exactly the same, or not. Okay, I think that's also done. So now I'm gonna close these windows, and I think that's installed. I'm gonna just rescan to make sure. So it didn't recognize the DTS driver, so maybe I just need to restart my laptop. But besides that, I should be good to go. Also, if you in the live update go to Microsoft app, then you can see a few things that you can download from Microsoft Store, like the Realtek audio control, the AMD Radeon software, NVIDIA control panel, and all of that. So these are basically mainly like for user experience. You can change some settings in them and all of that. So if you want to install any of the programs listed here to be able to adjust settings in them, then you can just click on Get It from Microsoft. Then I'm gonna click on Download, and it'll download a file so I can open it. Let's find it in Downloads. And it'll just install that file. So it'll be, for example, the NVIDIA control panel. Agree and continue, and go through the whole setup process. And as you can see, I have the NVIDIA control panel. So this is how you update, install drivers and other utilities. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.